Hey you guys, it's Teresa. Today I want to share with you what we had for dinner and what Steven took for lunch throughout the week. And if you like these types of videos, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any additional videos. One day I made my lemon butter pasta with broccoli and chicken. I just did the chicken in the crock pot, and then I made some pasta and broccoli to go along with the chicken. The next day I had some leftover broccoli, and so I just made another batch of chicken, and this time I made rice to go along with it because this just seemed like a good combination. And you guys are going to see we eat rice a lot. I didn't even realize until I made this video. So the next day we had rice again, and this is the chicken flavored rice with some grilled pork chops, and I also made some mashed sweet potatoes to go along with this. The next day, you guessed it, more rice, and this time I grilled some salmon, and I also made some carrots to go along with it. This was good. Y'all can see we really like rice in this house, so this is the last night that we had rice last week. And then the last night we just had spaghetti, which is one of my favorite meals, along with some Texas toast. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.